This video is coloring only, so if you haven't watched the sketching video, please click the button on the top right hand corner. Now, let's jump right onto coloring. For the skin tone, I'm going to mix a lot of different shades to perfectly match the skin tone and make the face dimensional. So I'm starting with the light peach color as a base skin tone and then slowly moving on to the darker shades. Now, I'm using darker peach color to add the shadows on the face, as mostly the face lines, side nose, and jawline. I'm using a light pink to add a blush to the cheek and color lips. Then I color very lightly here and there so she looks more lovely and sweet. I'm using dark pink and brown to add the shadows on the lips. I'm using reddish brown to add even more shadows around the face line and eye area. It is totally optional, but I'm using the light peach to blend some of the dark colors on the face. I'm using yellow to color the hair and use dark yellow to add some shadows here and there. I'm using ash brown to make the hair even darker. I'm focusing mainly on the root area and frontal area. I'm using light yellow to fill in any missing spots. And dark brown to add more contrast to the hair. I'm using golden brown as a base color to color the puppy and use it lightly to the girl's hair so they look more together. I'm using brown to color the puppy again, but this time I'm drawing spirals to give that nice curly fur texture. And at the same time, I'm adding the shadows underneath the eyes, face, mouth, and arm. I'm using reddish brown to add more curly texture all over. I'm using the darkest brown to maximize the contrast here and there. I'm finishing the drawing by coloring the hearts with pink. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And please comment down below if you like me to draw or make any other cute things. I will love to hear from you and get connected. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!